everyone. I hope you're having a great day today. I absolutely know that I am. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. Hopefully the sound is good. So I just recently put out a new podcast about skepticism. And it's perfect timing because there's other podcasts right now that are about that as well. And last night I was actually jumping around into my challengers group, and this girl, Nicole, and Nicole, you are so cute. She jumped on there and she was like, Krista wanted us to do these video text message things. And at first I was so, didn't think it was going to work. I wasn't excited about it. I didn't want to do it. And she's like, and then I started doing it, and she got great results from it. So she absolutely changed her mindset, and she changed her thought process around what it is that she was doing. And she said she's actually enjoying doing it now, and she actually likes it now because now she has a few deals actually in the pipeline, and people are actually going back to her and telling her how much they appreciate the fact that she's doing them. So I started thinking like, okay, everyone's skeptical, right? We all are skeptical, and I know there's many times where I've been skeptical about something, or I've been told to do something and thought like, oh, I don't want to do that, it's not going to work, or what if they're this, or what if they're that, and I just don't believe it's going to work. And I realized that we all are skeptical on certain things. And think about all the times that you were skeptical about something, maybe you didn't do it, maybe you didn't try it, maybe you didn't believe in it, and then you realize like later on that if you had done it, or you had not let your skepticism get in the way, that it absolutely would have made a breakthrough in your business and made a breakthrough in your life. I'm sure that's happened to you before. I know it's happened to me. There are plenty of times where, all of a sudden I think that fear comes in, that doubt, that skepticism, that worry that, we're going to do this thing and, maybe they're lying or they're cheating or whatever it might be, or they don't have the best intentions at heart, or maybe, why are they telling us to do this thing if it works so well? Why are they telling us that it works? I don't know what it is. Whatever the reason being, how do we keep ourselves from getting skeptical and from having skepticism and doubt and fear? Well, one of the things that we can start doing is a simple mindset hack. And I know that it works for me all the time. So I want you to start thinking about this. Whenever somebody that gives you a suggestion to do something, as long as they're reputable, as long as you trust them, as long as they're the kind of person that you should actually be listening to and actually taking their advice and heeding what they're saying, why don't you just go, okay, let me get out of my comfort zone. And instead of me saying like, this is not going to work, what if it doesn't, what if blah, 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 blah. What if you change that thought process in your head? And what if you say to yourself, what if it does work? What if the outcome is good? What opportunities can exist because of this? How can my life change? I can do this. I can handle this. This makes good sense. And quit being so fearful of new opportunities, and get out of your comfort zone and start doing things a little bit differently. Change your mindset, and instead of saying, what if it doesn't, take that impulsive instinct away, that the fear and the comfort zone that automatically happens, and start saying, what if it does work? What if my business does change? What if this makes an impact? What if I do pick up more clients? I mean, fill in the blank. So I've got a challenge for you. And I have all my students do this in my 15-day, 3 clients in 30 days challenge. And I'll tell you what, we have had so many people pick up anywhere from 1 to 6 clients in that challenge. And one of the things I have them do every single day is to send 10 video text messages. And if you comment below, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it, what the process is, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. So just say yes, say I want that. I'll show you the strategy and the how behind doing it. And instead of you saying, oh, that won't work, I don't want to, I'm nervous, I'm scared, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to send to them, I don't know what, what they're going to think, I don't know how I'm going to sound, I don't know how I'm going to look, I don't know, whatever. Instead of saying all of those negative things, what I want you to do is I want you to say, what if I do text this person, right? What if I know exactly what to say? What if they actually tell me that they want to work with me and they're ready for a new client? What if they respond something positive? What if it works? Instead of what if it doesn't work, what if it does? Say, what if it does? Start changing the conversations that you're having with yourself. Hi, Michael. What did I do there? Sorry, guys. Did I just lose everybody? Sorry about that. Okay. Hi, Michael's there, and Angel, and Lisa, and Jenny. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. So change your conversation with yourself to be something of positivity, and yes, it works. Don't go for the automatic instinct to say, oh, no, it's not going to. I'm skeptical. That's just keeping you from progression. That's keeping you from growth. It's holding you back from achieving greatness in your business and in your life, right? It absolutely is. So comment down below, say yes. I'll get you the video text message PDF that tells you exactly what to say, what not to say, how to do it, how often, all that good stuff. 10 video text messages a day. And it tells you how to do it below. This will help you pick up new clients. It'll help you from doing things that like you normally are doing that you feel uncomfortable about, and it turns it into something that people actually like and they respect and they appreciate getting because you took the time to do it. And it helps you get more business. So comment below, change that mindset, take away the skepticism, say I can, it's going to work. What if it does? Not what if it doesn't. And let's not be so skeptical, because when you are skeptical, you are absolutely pushing away good things that can happen to you because you're so used to being in your comfort zone and doing things the way that you always have done them. Don't be so afraid of people. Not everyone's bad. Not everyone wants negativity for you. There's a lot of people in this world that are good. And I believe there's more good than bad. So consider the source. If this person is smart, they're reputable, they care about you, take their advice, listen to what they say, try it out. And right now, take my advice. Trust me, it works for hundreds of students across the country in all shapes and sizes and marketplaces, and it can work for you too. So comment below, say yes. Don't be skeptical. Just do it. Open opportunity and say, yes, I want to open all this opportunity in my life, and let's see what happens, all right? And in 15 days, in 10 days or so, I want you to tell me your experiences that you're having and how well it works for you, because you weren't skeptical and you actually tried it, okay? Make it a great day. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you hopefully on Thursday, but I'm doing a live summit on Thursday. I've got my students coming in from out of town to work with me. So I will try my best to jump on. As always, make it a great day. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.